In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own Gorilla Tag custom maps in the new virtual stump. Pretty easy, so yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so now when you're on your PC, first what you want to do is you have to go into, just search up mod.io and just click enter. Now, when you're in here, click browse games, and now you have to log into your, don't ask about the profile picture by the way. Now you have to log into your whatever you want. Just make sure to log into it on your Oculus and on your PC with the same account. So I don't know, I logged in with Discord for example, so you have to log into Discord, and yeah, that's really all you have to do. So now what you want to do is you have to go here, click on Gorilla Tag. Now click this. Now when you're here, you can see this. Just click on this. And now here you have a GitHub page. Just click on it. Now click on code and download zip. It can take a while to download it. For me, it's easy because I have good internet. Now you have to right click this. When you have to get WinRAR, I think you can do it with, just use WinRAR. It's free, you don't have to pay for it. Yeah, whatever. Now click extract files, and when you have this, just click OK. And yeah, now this is done. Now you have to open up Unity. To download Unity, you can just watch any tutorial. You need it to make your custom map. So yeah. Okay, so now when you're in Unity, you're logged in and did everything. Click add project from disk. Click downloaded. Double click this and click add project. Now here there should be like an error or something. So you just have to click on this error. You have to click install editor. But before you install it, I'm just gonna show you what you have to. So it should look, when you click on the error, it should look something like this. So when you're in here, you have, it's not gonna say this, it's gonna say something different, but when you're here, you have to select Android build support, and I select documentation and just click continue and install editor. And like check everything and just install the editor. I already have the right one, so yeah. Now when you install the editor, just turn on the project. Okay, so as you can see, my project is already opened. I just have to fix some stuff. Okay, so now when you're here, you can go to console and just clear everything because it shouldn't have any errors. Now when you're in here, you have main camera and this, you can just select both of these and just delete them. Okay, so now we have pretty simple scene. So now when you're in here, go to map prefabs, and when you have access door, just put it in your game, and don't like edit it, like don't like, I don't know, grab this and just put it down, don't grab this, put it up, don't do it, because it can mess up your thing. I think I already messed it up. Let me just put another one in here. Okay, now it was good. Okay, so don't really do stuff with it. If you want to like move it around, don't like select something in it, just select this whole thing and move it. Okay, so now when you did this, go to Window, Package Manager, click on Unity Registry, and search up Pro. Now install Pro Builder, just install. Okay, so now when this is done, you can just close this. Go to your Tools, Pro Builder, and click Pro Builder window. Now just hold this and just put it here just to use it like better. Okay, now once you're in here, click new shape, select this for example. I don't know. Just do your map. Whatever you want. Just do map that you want, that you expect to be good and stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna do very fast map. By the way, very fast, what does all of these do? So this is like when you have a glider, there's like a big wind that pushes your glider. Here you have glider, you can just put it and in the game it will show up normally. You can move it, you can place a bunch of these. Currently they're kinda bugged, so yeah. Now map boundary, I didn't use this, so I don't know what it is. Placeholder, I don't know. Tag zone, I don't know. Teleporter, I know how it works. So, you have to put your teleporter here. Now, you have to put teleporter points. And now if you click on the teleporter, here you have like points, and you can grab point from here and just put it in here. And now when you go to this here in the game, it's gonna teleport you here. Water volume. So this is like a water. I think it's like a water. So you can just make water in your map. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not pretty sure, but yeah, it should work. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do pretty simple map because I made one and it wasn't that good, so yeah. I'm just gonna go into my materials. As you can see, you have here like a bunch of materials here. If it's like too small or something, you can just go into the material. Now you can just change this to like this and this to like this, and now as you can see the texture is bigger, but I'm just gonna keep it as one. Okay, that should be good. Okay, but I'm still gonna keep it as this. If the texture is like dark, like too dark, just select this, put it to a little bit higher, and now it should be better. If it's like too bright, you can just put it on to green and just make it something like this. Pretty good. Okay, so now in my project, I want to do something like this. Something like this. I'm just gonna make a training session. So yeah, I'm just gonna do it really quickly. Okay, so if you want to make some like box, if you don't want it to be like very professional, and yeah, you can just use this, but I would definitely recommend using Pro Builder, but it's not good for like perfect squares. But it's still good. And by the way, on these, you can put the texture, and the texture will automatically set to like a perfect size. So yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, so now I'm just gonna make a pretty small thing, like a tutorial. So yeah, I'm just gonna copy this. I'm just gonna make like some simple long jumps or something. Now here. Now here. And now I don't know, maybe here, because it's not gonna be that easy to jump over there. I'm just gonna make it a bit better. Okay, now it's gonna be somehow maybe possible. Maybe I'm just gonna make it a bit better. Okay, here, if you want to make like a wall, don't do this because it's gonna move your whole map. Just click here, extrude edges. I would like to put it as 0, just, yeah. Now you can just move your thing around and now it should be good. Here, I want to make like a wall run wall, so I'm just gonna do this, and now, oh my god, it's still gonna be hard. Okay, let me just do it. Alright, this should be better. No, it's still too easy. Okay, this should be perfect. Okay, now I'm just gonna make some double walls here. Just to practice some double walls. So why not? Make it a bit like this, like this. Okay, now you can do this. I'm gonna put some texture to it. Okay, now I'm just gonna make a special place for branching. So I'm just gonna click this, and now you have to do this. I'm just gonna make it like that, and yeah, this should be good. Now, if you want some models from Gorilla Tag, they're not gonna be in here. So what you really have to do is go into your browser again, go into Sketchfab, search whatever whatever model you need. So I need like a Gorilla Tag tree. Here you have some cool trees. You can put the stick in your game. You can put this tree. It's like Gorilla Tag fan game tree. Just put whatever you want, if you want to only. This is, what the hell is that? So yeah, if you find your perfect texture, click on this little icon here. If it doesn't have this, or if it's like a dollar here, the dollar means it's paid, and if there is nothing here, that means you can't download it. So yeah, for me it's here. So I'm just gonna click on it. Now just click on the thing. Oh, my friend, something's very wrong. It should, oh yeah, here. If it puts you here, just click download 3D model. I would recommend downloading FBX or Blend. These are like the best ones, so just click download. It's gonna download a zip file here. Just right click this. Here, extract, okay. And yeah, here, oh wait, I shouldn't do it. Okay, so now when you have the model you need, just go into your project, open this, click, double click source, double click this. I'm just gonna double click this, and again source. Here is trees FBX. I'm just gonna put it in here. And if you drop it in the game, so when you drag it into your game, it shouldn't have like a good texture. So how to fix this? Go into your thing again, go back, go to textures. I'm just gonna select everything and put it in. And now everything has the things. I'm just gonna select this because I don't need it. I only need the Christmas tree. And just delete. Okay, now just to make sure your models are not like too big, put it like somewhere here. And this is like size of the gorilla. So yeah, you can just think in your mind if it's good or not. Okay, so now I'm just gonna make some trees. Okay, now I'm just gonna select two of these, just gonna put it a bit down. Now one of these, big. Now this, rotate like this, and like this. Okay, now when you have your simple map, it's pretty cool. So before you go into like file, save, or build settings, don't do it because you can't do it like this. Here, when you're here, right click, click create empty, go into here, click add component. Here, search up map D, and here's map director. Now in here, now in map director, in map name, just put your map name. I'm gonna make Floppus training session v2. Alright, now in here, if you want like a skybox, you can go into mesh, and here you have fake skybox or some other stuff. I'm just not gonna use it. But yeah, if you want like to use any of the mesh stuff, you can use it because it's free and legal. So yeah, here you have some models that you can use. Land, oh yeah, land. Wait, what is it made with? Okay, it's just a mesh. Okay, so that's bad. I would not recommend to use this, so yeah. Here you have like a leaf. By the way, don't spawn this as a leaf. Use the one in map prefabs because the white one won't work. Point arrows, sphere. For some reason, that's not the real one. And now go back into your game object that has map direction. When you have this, and if you already ended your map creation, click export map. Click here. Now click save. Now, if it opens another thing, just scroll down. If you're here, okay, so now after you click save, if it puts you in here, just make sure to go to assets. If you don't have assets here, it's good. It should be like material prefabs, that should be good. So now just make whatever and save. By the way, if it disappears, don't panic, don't click cancel, it's normal. Because if it's like saving, it has to disappear for a little bit. It will be back, so yeah, don't like panic. Now it should show you scene file not found. It doesn't matter. It's actually okay. Now just close out of your Unity, and here in your files there should be your name of the map. So now how do you want to like import it and just make it actual thing? And now if you want to import it to your Gorilla Tech so you can play it, now you have to go back to mod.io. Oh yeah, here's my map. By the way, people won't see it here. It's gonna be only visible for you and your friends because you can add them. So yeah. Now just click add a level. Here in name, just put your map name or whatever. I'm just gonna put Flopus training map v2. Now here you can, it's like, you can just put whatever you want. Here don't put anything, and here you can put like a link to it. It doesn't really matter, you can just not do it here. Here is set as public. Here is gonna be like a thing for your map, so you can just put whatever you want. I'm just gonna put Roblox, because why not? Okay, now in here you have to go into your, you have to in your project just make a screenshot of the map. It doesn't really have to be a screenshot of the map, it can be literally anything. I'm just gonna get it and put it in here. Yeah, like my last project. Okay, now create level. I'm gonna put this. You can put 10 images. It doesn't really have to be 10. Here, just don't put anything. Now click save and yeah. Okay, now here, go into your files and here you should have your file with the game, with the map you made. So just hold it and just put it in here. And now it should be like this. By the way, it can be maximum 20 gigabyte size, so yeah. Now version, I'm just gonna put it to 0.01. 01. This changelog, yeah, I agree. Upload and next. Okay, so now when this is done, click save and next. Okay, here, level status, it should be not accepted, but it's okay, it's normal. You can't put it to accepted because Lemming did it or something, whatever. Here in level visibility, it may say public. So what do you want to do with this? Click view level. No. So, okay, so when you're in here, it should say not accepted. It's okay, it's normal, you can't make it accepted. So here, just click share access, click this. Now, users with access only. Now click update. And now in here, you can put your friend's name or email. So I'm just gonna grab my friend's name really quickly. Okay, yeah, so this is my friend's name, by the way. Here you can click this and click add. Now you can copy link, send it to him, and then, bro. And then after he turns on this link, it should put him to this page. If it's not, make sure he's logged in. So yeah. Now just click subscribe, and now it should be on in your Gorilla tag. So now I'm just gonna show you how to get it. By the way, on your Gorilla tag, you have to be like connected to the same account. So yeah. Okay, so now we're in the game. This is the guy I invited. He just downloaded the game, the map. He subscribed to it, he didn't download it. Okay, so now what you have to do is you have to go into the arcade map. Now, when you have these machines, just grab it and hold it to your head. Okay, now you should be in here. And look, my friend is here.
Hello. Hello.
Okay, so now you should be paired with your account. Now click available. And now you shouldn't see any maps here. Just click option. And here you have, this is one of my maps. This is second my map. And this is the map we just made it. So I'm just gonna select this, select. And yeah, as you can see. And yeah, here is the animation thing. For some reason, it's in the wrong place, but whatever. Here, you have this, like long jumps thing. I told you, in Unity, it looks hard, but in reality, it's easy.
Why is it so small? You change it?
Yeah, it's a different map.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so everything here works.
Wait. Does it have colliders?
Yeah, I added colliders to this. Okay.
Kind of small.
It's kind of hard to do it because, yeah, making map is hard, but yeah, whatever.
Yeah.
So yeah, as you can see, your map works. And now I'm just gonna show you 2 more maps that I made. Yo, look. Okay, so now I'm just gonna show you my school map that I worked on it today. Okay, now you start up here, you just go here. And here's like this, pretty cool. Here you can, there's some role plays and stuff. Yeah, it's pretty cool. We already played it today with 2 of my friends. Here's some good coffee, apple. So yeah, you can basically go up here. By the way, I didn't add mesh collider. That's what happens if you don't add mesh collider to your object. Here's principal office, pretty cool. Okay, so I heard you say something bad.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm gonna show you my last map. It's called.
I don't think I have that one.
You don't have the practice zone by Floppa. Okay. So now this is back. I'm back down there. It took me a long time. So yeah, by the way, this is what happens if you put your wind barrier to like maximum. I just disappeared. So yeah, don't mess up your stuff too much. Yeah. That's all for the tutorial. Thank you. Bye.